Welcome to 302 Essa Road, number 118 in Barrie. This is easily the most sought-after unit in the entire building, number 118. Be wowed as you walk through this 2-year-old ground-level, 2-bedroom, 2-washroom plus den corner unit with a beautiful forested backdrop. Over 1,400 square feet of sunshine floods this gorgeous home with natural light. You will feel at ease with the amount of noticeable breathable space, as this is unlike your normal condo. It has a functional floor plan with 9-foot ceilings, an inviting walkout covered terrace where you can entertain and barbecue, all the while taking in the gorgeous views of the 14-kilometer of environmentally protected trails. 2 owned parking spots plus a locker. Plenty of modern upgrades including granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and quality laminate flooring throughout. Take advantage of the opportunity to purchase the best unit in the building while you still can. Call today for a viewing.